Tyler was just out and about here. Zoe and Brandi from Wishing Mouse. We are here at Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. This is y'all's second mountain coaster since y'all rode one the other day in Georgia. This is y'all's first Tennessee mountain coaster.
Sure is.
So I brought them here because this is the best one in town. I've been here before, but they have not. We're gonna go ride. See what we think. Hi, Zoe. Wave at the camera. Bye, Brandi.
Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Push your handles forward now. Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Push your handles forward now.
Woo! Brandi!
Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Push your handles forward now. Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Push your handles forward now. Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Push your handles forward now.
I'll see lightning rod from here. Woo! Woo! gift shop here too after you get off the ride. They have some t-shirts. Let's see, I have some cups. What did y'all think of Rocky Top?
It's pretty cool. Fun. Very fun.
Longer than the one in Jordan?
Yeah.
A little longer.
A lot longer.
But yeah, this is my favorite. I've rode quite a bit of them in town. This is probably my favorite one in town. So come check out Rocky Top.